Hey friends, if you wish to change DNS server settings on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. First of all, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the Wi-Fi network and select properties. Now you can double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server address and then you can change the DNS server address. For the sake of this example, I will change the preferred one to 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then on OK to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.